As consumers, we need to be aware of what choices are available to us. We should make informed choices about the products and services that we avail of. This awareness should include our rights as consumers, as well as the actions that we can take and the choices that we can make. In other words, we need to become well-informed consumers. After the Consumer Protection Act was enacted in 1986, independent departments of consumer affairs were formed in the central and state governments. The departments regularly put out advertisements in newspapers and magazines and on television to make consumers conscious of their rights. There are also several agencies like BIS, Hallmark, and Agmark to test the quality of various products sold in the market. Only products that pass the test of quality are certified. Consumers should only buy certified products. As consumers, we should also be aware that for products that are crucial from a health or safety angle, certification is mandatory or compulsory. Since the 24th of December 1986, when the COPRA was legislated, the consumer movement has made many strides. To mark this event, we celebrate the 24th of December as National Consumer Day. India has a system where consumers can get representation in consumer courts. There are over 700 consumer groups in the country to represent the views of customers. However, are we consumers as aware of our rights as we ought to be? Is the consumer movement as strong as it can be? Unfortunately, only about 30-odd consumer groups out of the 700 work efficiently. The process of redress might also be difficult as consumers do not often take cash memos, and hence it is very difficult to prove anything conclusively against the wrongdoings of shopkeepers. The laws relating to compensation are often vague and their enforcement is weak. Shopkeepers often ignore the rules that regulate the markets. It is almost 23 years since the COPRA was passed, but the results regarding consumer awareness are mixed and progress is slow. Still, there is some progress as more and more consumers become aware of their rights. It is this consumer awareness that will take the consumer movement forward.